Take a trip down the Black River, my friend, where the water runs dark, a beauty that never ends. Lush mangrove forests and wildlife galore, a treasure trove of nature to explore. Once a bustling port in times gone by, now a haven for those wanting to fly through the winding waters under the sun. A boat tour adventure, so much fun. Black River, oh, Black River. Black River, oh, Black River, where the crocodiles roam and the mangrove shimmer. Black River, oh, Black River, a captivating destination like no other. Black River, Black River, crocodiles from distance and like no other. Black River, Black River, a treasure trove of nature to explore. Once a
Feel the sunshine, feel the breeze as we gather here beneath the palm trees. Hearts are light and spirits high, grooving to the reggae beat, never asking why. Head bobbing, feet tapping to the rhythm so sweet. Drums and bass unite, sweeping us off our feet. Guitars strumming, melodies fill the air. Reggae vibes surround us with love and care. Jamming, jamming, we're feeling alright. Everyone come together, let's unite. With the reggae rhythm, we're catching the flow. Let's keep jamming, watch the good vibes grow. Watch the good vibes grow.
In the island of sun and sea, Jamaican vibes setting us free, yeah. Out of many we're one people, spreading love from steeples to steeples, yeah. From Kingston town to Montego Bay, we jamming all night and all day. Together we stand hand in hand, unify, let the love expand, yeah. One love expand, yeah, yeah. One love, one people, let's come together. Spread the love, make it last forever. Jamaica, the land of unity. Out of many, one people, can't you see?
and bright. Everyone's smiling, it's a perfect night. Perfect night. We're all together, feeling so free in this reggae paradise where we wanna be. We're jamming, feel the groove. Come join the party, let your troubles move. We were sipping on rum, the music's playing loud. In the silent paradise, we're feeling proud. Feeling proud.
In the land of sunshine and sea, there's a beautiful woman as lovely as can be. Golden sand between her toes, and a smile that captures hearts wherever she goes. Ooh yeah, on the lovely beaches we dance under the moon, sipping Appleton rum, singing a joyful tune. With a splash of Campari and a taste of Remy Martin, we lose ourselves in the rhythm, feeling so alive and free. Oh yeah, in this silent paradise we find our way, where the beauty of the woman takes our breath away. With the sound of waves and the taste of tropical bliss, we're lost in the magic, oh how much we miss. Oh yeah.
Feel the sunshine, feel the breeze as we gather beneath the palm trees. Hearts alive and spirits high, grooving through the reggae beat, never asking why. Head bobbing, feet tapping to the rhythm so sweet. Drums and bass unite, sweeping us off our feet. Guitars, drum and melodies fill the air. Reggae vibes surround us with love and care. Jamming, jamming us with love and care. Jamming, jamming, we're feeling alright. Everyone come together, let's unite with the reggae.